The view from my bedroom.
No, I'm not. Ew.
Mandy farted.
Thank God it was in the bathroom. Oh my God, look at there. It's all weedy.
Let me have a camera so I can get this view from here. It's so pretty. Like a cake picture in the bathtub.
You can get down in there.
No, that's dirty. Fly sitting in the bathtub, watching TV. You could actually sit right here and talk to me, boy.
So this is where the glass goes here. Close this whole thing in.
See, I like the clear because it looks like there's more room. Look at this view. Get this whole view, man. It's gorgeous.
Wow.
Look at this house right here. That's nice. Look at that sage green one. See it right there?
Mm-hmm. Even this view is pretty special.
I'm so happy out here. This is where we belong. So pretty. Just peaceful.
I have a nice lock on my door.
We will be upgrading these toilets.